Remove all of the staples from the carton box. Unbox the profiles, accessory box, and place them onto a non-marking surface. Remove the top caps and place them to one side. Remove the cover profiles and place them to one side. Remove the pusher profiles and place them to one side. Measure the structural opening and the width of the glass panel. Using these, calculate the position of the base profiles. The width between the outermost faces of the base profiles equates to the width of the glass panel plus 35 mm. Check the position of the base profiles to ensure that the top of the installed glass panel achieves a minimum of 1,100 mm from the finished floor level. When installed, the top of the glass panel will be 5 mm lower than the top of the base profiles. Check that the area the glass panel, highlighted here in red, will occupy is free from any obstructions, so there is nothing in the way of it being freely installed. Ensure the base profile is perfectly levelled, both horizontally and vertically. Mark the position of the base profile and the fixing locations. Prepare the structure to receive fixings. Fix the base profile to the structure with appropriate fixings. We are showing a generic fixing method in this video. You must select a fixing method that is suitable for your structure. For guidance on the loads the fixings must resist, please refer to the structural calculations that may be found on our website www.balconette.co.uk. Locate the second base profile onto the opposite side of the structural opening. Ensure it is positioned parallel and at the same level as the first base profile. The width between the outermost faces of the base profile equates to the width of the glass panel plus 35 mm. Check that the dimensions between the base profiles at the top and at the bottom are equal. Ensure the base profile is perfectly levelled, both horizontally and vertically. Mark the positions of the base profile and the fixing locations. Prepare the structure to receive fixings. Fix the base profile to the structure with appropriate fixings. For guidance on the loads the fixings must resist, please refer to the structural calculations that may be found on our website www.balconette.co.uk. Ensure the T-gaskets are seated fully into the base profiles. Glass may be shipped on a stillage or within a pallet. Remove all the screws from the pallet lid. Carefully remove the pallet lid. Remove any labels or films from the glass panel to prepare it to install. Frameless Juliet glass panels can be very large and heavy. Please plan your path to installation. Check the weight and size of the glass and make sure you're using the correct equipment and/or enough manpower. Ensure you have a safe working platform and have enough room to hold and maneuver the glass panel into position. Seat the glass panel centrally onto the glass stoppers and pivot it up to make full contact with the T-gaskets. The glass panel will need supporting until the pusher profiles are installed. Offer the pusher profiles up to the base profiles. Clamp the glass in place by fixing the pusher profiles to the base profiles with the provided 16 4.8 by 38mm self-tapping screws, 8 per pusher profile. The glass panel is now fully supported. Clip the cover profile onto the back edge of the pusher profile. Pivot the cover profile as shown until it clamps onto the pusher profile. Repeat this step with the remaining cover profile. Using a good quality neutral silicone, apply a few beads to the top of the base profile. Apply a few beads of silicone to the top cap. Slide the top cap into position. Repeat this step with the remaining top cap. You have now completed the installation of your Frameless Juliet.